I love travelling away with Wales. It's an amazing experience. The camaraderie and everything else.
I didn't think I'd be doing that when I woke up this morning. I'm sitting under the Eiffel Tower. Incredible.
Together stronger!
It's an honour, to be honest, for us, isn't it? I mean, it's just absolutely superb. It's just lovely to come to another culture, the other side of the world.
What a city. It's
Unbelievable place.
Absolutely amazing.